Are you really ready to lose weight? Shift. Let's talk about the mindset shift that you need for long term success. So, first question you want to ask yourself is why? Why am I doing this? Am I really ready? What's my why? And I would really recommend for you to write down what is your why and then revisit it often. Just go back, write it down and go back, even if it's every day. Write down your why and why you are doing this and why you're ready. And then that will kind of tell you, okay, that mindset shift that I'm going to do this time. And for long-term success, there's little steps and little tricks that I would love to teach you. In my school community, Sexy After 60 Weight Loss, link down below. You're more than welcome to join. It's free, and we're all working together to get strong. That's what we're working on. Strong health, strong mindset, strong body, and then the weight loss just happens like a side effect. So now my personal motivation is because I just really want to be strong. I'm 65. I have bad arthritis, chronic pain, and I just want to get strong. More confident. I'm going to be sick. Well, I'm basically single. I'm going to be moving into a new apartment by myself, and I'm going to be independent, taking care of myself, doing all my own things. And I need to be strong. And, I'm Debbie Garcia. I'm the badass baby boomer. I have lost 230 pounds. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy and I got myself out of the wheelchair. No more walkers, no more canes. Now, so I'm feeling pretty dang strong, but I'm still, I still have a long ways to go. I need to put on muscle like all of us as seniors. Muscle is, like I'm learning, one of the most important things. If nothing else, to be able to get ourselves up when we fall. Yeah. And I have been practicing that a lot. So, what is your why? Study that why and see if you're really ready, because you want to commit. You don't want to give up on yourself, and being consistent. Nobody has to be perfect. We're not looking for perfection. We're just looking for progress. And building strength mentally and physically, that's what's going to get us there. And at 65 years of age, I know that is what is most important now. I want to enjoy the last years of my life. Don't we want to have fun? I mean, come on, we only get this one chance. And I spent way too long in a dang wheelchair. Way too much of my life unhappy, miserable, in an unhappy marriage. I was happy, but there were so many bad times, mostly when my husband fell off the wagon, that, I put up with a lot of stuff I shouldn't have put up with, and it's been getting worse the last few years, but now it's given me a new life. It's motivating me to get stronger for my new life. And that's what I'm doing. I'm working on getting stronger every day. And I feel stronger probably than I have ever. Mentally. Now, physically, I got some work to do. But I'm working at the gym. I do water aerobics. I'm walking more. And so my why is mobility and life. I want a good life, and I want a strong, healthy life, and and I'm gonna get it. And I'm feeling so much. I'm off so many medications I was on. I'm able to do so many things I wasn't able to do before. I have a life now. I'm not just existing. I'm actually living. And if you're struggling with that, I'm looking for the people that have to lose 100 to 200 pounds. Yes. Tonight is shot night, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it right now. You take out the base. I did one time, and I lost the medicine. It didn't go in me. It went everywhere else. And then you unlock the top. Now, I did my arm. Okay, I'm going to do my thigh this week. I haven't done that for a long time, so we'll just see. I had really good results this last week as far as appetites, not just being starved and wanting to eat, because I've been emotionally eating. Weight was going up, no exercise. Now, I'm getting it together again. And that's the thing, you got to start over. You mess up a little bit, you just keep starting over, and that's the consistency. So, here we go. They say hold it on for 10 seconds. Yeah, hold it on for 10 seconds. Make sure that shot went in because you don't want to lose a drop. So, yes, I have, I'm going to do a little series on questions and see if you're ready to lose weight. And this is video number 1, your why. Come back. Come back. Let's do this. Let's work together. Sexy After 60 Weight Loss is my channel, and it's also my school free membership for weight loss, whereas Sexy After 60s are getting together. We're discussing what we can do, but we're building strength. We're building strength, not worrying about the number on the scale so much. I mean, that'll come. We're building strength mentally and physically. And physically, let's work on the muscles. Let's work on the muscles because you'll be surprised the inches that'll fall off and how good you'll feel. I've just learned it this last year and a half since I started working out at the gym.